You are welcome to another simultaneous equation video. In our previous video, we discussed how to solve simultaneous equation using substitution method. In this video, we shall be talking about how to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. At the end of this lesson, learners should be able to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. This is our stated objective. If you are watching this video, what is expected is for you to be able to solve simultaneous equation at the end of this video. After watching this video, you should be able to solve simultaneous equation using elimination method. I remain your mathematics instructor, Abdullahi O. Falade. If you are watching this video for the first time, do not forget to subscribe and turn on the bell of notification for the next videos. Like, share, and comment. Second example, example 2. Solve the simultaneous equation below. 1 over 2x plus 5y is equal to 7. Equation 1. 4x minus 8y is equal to 8. Equation 2. This is a simultaneous equation of two unknown variables with two equations. How do we solve this? Using elimination method. The solution goes thus. Step 1. Multiply equation 1 by coefficient of x or y in equation 2. And 2 by coefficient of x or y in 1. But there must be uniformity. What do we mean by uniformity in this sense? We mean that if you consider coefficient of x in the first equation, which is half, so the coefficient of x in the first equation is half, 1 over 2. The coefficient of x in the second equation must also be considered, which is 4. So in this video, we only consider the coefficient of x in either of the equations. You can also consider the coefficient of y, meaning you can consider the coefficient of y in equation 1, which is plus 5. You can also consider the coefficient of y in equation 2, which is minus 8. So if you are considering the coefficient of y, you will multiply the whole of the equation 1 by minus 8, and you multiply the whole of equation 2 by plus 5. But in our video, we considered the coefficient of x. So the coefficient of x in equation 1 is 1 over 2. Will be used to multiply everything in equation 2, and it shall be labeled 4. The coefficient of x in equation 2 is 4. Is going to be multiplied with everything in equation 1. That is why we have 4 open brackets 1 over 2x plus 5y equals 7. After opening the brackets, you have 2x plus 20y equals 28. Equation 3. 2x minus 4y equals 4. Equation 4. The second step, which is the most important and sensitive step in using elimination method, is subtraction of equations to eliminate a variable. So subtract equation 3 from 4. You can also subtract equation 4 from 3 in either way to eliminate. In this case, we are trying to subtract 3 from 4 to eliminate x variable and determine the value of y. Please take note when you are subtracting an algebraic equations, be very careful with the word from. You can see from this step 2. You see, subtract 3 from 4. So it means you are going to write 4. You are going to write equation 4 before 3. So now you have to write equation 4, which is 2x minus 4y minus, open the bracket, equation 3, 2x plus 20y. So I'm trying to write this based on what I have in the left hand side. The same thing goes to the right hand side. I will write what I have in 4 before writing 3. So that is why I have 4 minus 28. You can see. So this is 4 minus 28. Now, by the time you open the bracket, do not forget your rule of sign. This is 2x minus 4y minus 2x. Minus times plus is minus. Be careful at that point. Don't forget your rule of sign. Minus times minus is equal to plus. Minus times plus is equals to minus. Plus times minus is equal to minus. Plus times plus is equal to plus. This rule of sign is very important, which is equal to 4 minus 2, 28. And by the time you cancel out from the collection of like terms, you'll be able to cancel out 2x minus 2x, and you are left with minus 4y minus 20y, which is equals to 4 minus 28. And as a result, you are left with minus 24y equals minus 24. And you can divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which gives y equals 1. Put y is equals to 1 in the equation, in any of the equation. This time around, we choose equation 1. When you substitute y is equals to 1 into equation 1, you have 1 over 2x plus 5 open bracket 1 is equals to 7. And by the time you open this bracket and you take this to the other side of the equation, you have 7 minus 5, and you multiply this by 2. So you have 2 open bracket 7 minus 5, which is equals to 2 times 2, which is 4. So we have been able to solve the equation using elimination method. We now have the solution: x equals 4, y equals 1. Now we need to validate our results. Substitute for x is equals to 4, y is equals to 1 in either equations. The given equation is 1 over 2x plus 5y equals to 7, 4x minus 8y is equals to 8. Substitute the value of x equals 4 and y equals 1 into the equations. In the first one, you can see 1 over 2 times 4 plus 5, open bracket 1, that is 2 plus 5, which is 7. The same thing goes to the second one. 4 times 4 is 16, minus 8 times 1, 16 minus 8 gives, that 16 minus 8 gives 8. So it shows that by substituting x equals to 4, y is equals to 1, we have been able to arrive at the right hand side of the given equations. So this validates that the solution is right. Once again, do not forget to press the subscribe button, turn on the bell of notification for the next video, like, share and comment. Now drop out the comment section which one is faster and easier. Is it substitution or elimination method? Drop your response in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.